Okay friends, so in the last video we worked with a post policy we protect on the backend who can create, edit and delete posts. And in this video I want also to work with the frontend. So for example, if the user does have the role to edit, I want to hide the link also for delete, also for the new post. So if the user does not have the permission to create new post, remove that. Today's video is brought to you by Cloudways, a managed cloud hosting platform for PHP-based applications. So we have WordPress, Magento, Laravel, and PHP. Cloudways takes over all server management and security hassles to let you solely focus on your business. Their custom stack provides performance boost, managed backups that keep your app safe, and a staging environment that lets you test code without breaking live sites. Plus, pre-configured Composer and integrated GI make deployments a breeze, and you get a choice between 5 top cloud providers including DigitalOcean, Vultr, Linode, WSL, and GCI. With Cloudways, you not only get flexibility, but peace of mind. So if you are an agency or an e-commerce store owner, Cloudways is a great fit for all your managed hosting requirements. Don't forget to use promo code link in description. And I'm logged in here as a moderator, and let's display the name here just to be clear. We are logged in as moderator, so for that, let's open first the authenticated layout, and I'm going to scroll down and just copy this line of code here and add this on the admin layout. Here when we have the logo, remove the logo and paste that, save, and now we are moderator as you can see here. Okay, now let's work with the permissions. So I want to hide the links and also this link here based on the permissions. If I inspect the element right now, and let's go on the view, and I'm going to zoom it like this. Okay, we have posts, then we have the attributes user, which has the email ID, name, and also we can see has 0 permissions. Has a role moderator, which the role moderator has all the permissions, but we checked. So if I open the handle inertia request, and here we added new user shared resource. So let's open this one as well. And for roles, we say this get role names, and for permissions, this get permission names. And what that get permission names does, get only the permissions directly we assign directly to the user, not the permission assigned to roles and then role to permission. So let's search for Laravel permission, and let's open the spotty documentation, and let's omit this one like this, like basic usage. I think it's here. Here we have the get permission names, collection of name strings, permissions, all permissions directly assigned to the user. But I want also the permissions we assign to the role, and then role from the role to permission, and we can say get all permissions here. Okay, so let's do that. Let's come here, and instead of something like this, I'm going to copy this name and paste it here. Now if I save, and let's see what we get. Probes, okay, just we have the user, and now we have permissions, but we have objects here, and we need only the name. So for that, let's say just call, we need only the name, so let's say just get the name from the collections and refresh. And now let's see on the user, we get permissions. Yeah, we have only the names of permissions. Okay. So now the user has all the permissions we assigned to this role moderator, and this role now belongs to that user. So we get all permissions this user has. Okay. And now based on this permission, I want to show and hide the links. So for that we can use, let's open here the resources JS. Yeah, we can use a composable. Here we created for has a role and has permission, and we pass the name. So now on the post index, so let's navigate in the admin, post index, we need to import that permission composable. So let's say here, or I think I'm going to import right here. So import, use permission. Yeah. And now we need to extract what we want from this one, and we need only that has permission in this post index. So I'm going to say right here, create a constant and extract just the has permission from the use permission. Okay. And then we have here the link to create a new post, and I'm going to say here template. I like to add the template when we use the vif, and let's say here vif the user has permission, and we pass here the name. For example, for this one we need the permission to create post. And let's close this, cut this one and paste it right here. Now if I save and refresh, we have here the new post and we are as a moderator. But if I log out and I'm going to log in with the user, regular user, so let's say user example, add the password. Okay, so we have here the post, and I want to remove this link, but for now let's leave it. And we are logged in as a user, and the user, if I go here, this user has only the create post. As you can see, directly permission to this user, and the user now can see this. If I remove that permission directly from the user, and let's say update the user now, go and to the post, yeah, we don't see that. Now let's work the same for the edit and delete. So just copy this template and navigate when we have the links, and I'm going to say template if the user has permission to edit post. I can say update post, and let's move the link inside here. And for this one also the same, not create, but we want, if the user has to delete the post permission, we can add this button here. And if I save now, let's see, we are logged in as a user and we just see the post. Let's log out and let's log in with the admin. Add the password, log in, navigate to the admin, posts, and yeah, we can see new post, edit and delete posts. Very good. Now let's log in as log out, and let's log in as writer. And yeah, we are as a writer now. Go to the post, and the writer has only the link to create new posts. And we can create new posts. So let's say just another post. Say create. Yeah, here is another post, but we don't see the edit and delete because the writer has the writer has a role writer, and the role writer has only the permission create post. Okay friends, I hope you enjoy. This is about this video, and if you like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. All the best, and see you in the next one. Thank you very much.